Nearly 7.6 billion people live on this planet that looks tiny from the outside, all of which are entitled to healthy and comfortable lives in hygienic conditions. In 1973, we as the Korozo family stepped into the packaging industry. And today, we have become one of the largest in Europe. Ever since, we are fulfilling our share of responsibility to the humankind with our curiosity, and our dreams, and the passion to be more helpful. We strive to improve the packaging industry. Today, we are the leader of the packaging industry in Europe. What brought us here is our passion for perfection. With all our engineers, researchers, and qualified employees, we see this passion as one of the strongest motivations in our journey for improvement. Because we work to add value to all aspects of life, we develop various solutions that can blend with all the colors of life. With our next generation technology, which is flexible to change, just like our mentality, and which is strong as the bond we have created between our employees and business partners. In order to get perfect solutions, you need perfect processes. We implement all our production processes with a robust infrastructure in Europe's largest integrated facility. We work to turn our flexible solutions into 100% customer satisfaction by pursuing our zero error and on-time delivery targets. The methods we implement create examples of perfection for the global sector. We are one of the most esteemed packaging firms that represent the level of excellence. We serve the needs of not only the local markets, but also the global market. We believe that success is only possible with sustainable solutions. We owe our prompt solutions that make life easier to our in-house power generation capability. We refilter the solvents used in manufacturing to reuse in the production process. This way, we achieve both, prevent waste and air pollution. Our priority is not only the needs of the present. We are a family that works to create benefits for future generations. That is why we will continue our goal of increasing the quality of life with the sensitivity and responsibility of touching the most delicate skin of the earth. We care about reflecting safety and quality on every field that concerns people, from food to health. That is why we promise to continue to offer beneficial and differentiating solutions to humanity, the environment, and the globe.